Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we have a new moon and a partial solar eclipse portal open, and this is a beautiful day today, my friends, to prepare yourself for the greatest breakthroughs in your life. We are at the beautiful place right now. We are at the beach. Look at that. We are waiting and looking for the sunset, and Maya is there. Say hi. And we are having a beautiful time right now. So we went for a trip a little bit to Croatia. Rovin is called this place here. And I want to remind you right now, this new moon in the zodiac sign of Taurus is bringing us a great energy of strong will. It is bringing us an energy of persistence. So how it can help us? It can help us when it comes to the next level of our lives. When I've shared with you before a video about this new moon, I was talking a lot about the shadow work, how important it is to recognize the anchors which are still holding us back, right? So we can find out, what are the shadow sides of ourselves, which are most of the time unconsciously guiding our lives. Those are the reasons why we are reacting towards certain circumstances the way we are reacting. What are the triggers which are constantly triggering us to act out of uncontrollable anger, out of uncontrollable fears? And I've shared with you in that video a practice. What can you do to recognize more of your shadows? But today we can sense a beautiful energy which is urging us to step to the next level of our lives. This is a time where we can experience many breakthroughs. This is a time where we set some powerful intentions and we recognize, well, what are the things we should work on right now to become the greatest version of who we are meant to be, to become the best self, so we can set the example for the society. Whoever will see your progress will be inspired by your work, by your action. And that's where we start making that domino effect, when you become an example for others and they see your progress and they start working on themselves, and their friends will see their progress and they will start working on themselves. And that's what is happening, what we call a great awakening. That's what is happening right now, where when people started realizing more of what is truly important in their lives, it's not all about the results we see outside of us, but rather who we are becoming while walking the path of life, right? And we may notice, well, I'm not so happy. I'm missing love in my life. I'm missing passion in my life. I'm missing flow in my life. We may realize those things, and that's so amazing. Once we start wondering, how to experience more love in my life, how to experience more joy in my life, more flow in my life, more passion, that fire for creating, the urge for creating wonders, how to experience more of that. And we may recognize, well, the answers are within us. We always hear that. But how to truly hear them, how to truly connect back to them? Well, right now, if you will take time for yourself and you will slow down a little bit your brain, we all know when we are overthinking, we are in that beta brainwave frequency where it's hard to truly in tune ourselves with intuition. It's hard to truly sense that internal guidance. I call it divine compass because it is kind of showing us direction where to go. And in challenging times, it is reminding us of the lessons we should see in the challenges. But when we slow down, we place more attention to our breathing. We slow down our breathing and we start breathing deeply. Slowly our brain will calm down and we will get into that beautiful creative state called alpha brainwave frequency. In that alpha brainwave frequency, usually we start receiving ideas. Oh, that's what I need to do in my life. Oh, I need to do more of this. I need to I need to start creating art, because as a little kid I was so creative, but at some point I've lost that sense for expressing myself. Or whatever it is, whatever you feel that you need to do right now, that strong energy of Taurus, a powerful will, is helping us to make those necessary changes so you can step onto the next level of your life and you can experience your greatest breakthroughs. So this is your time, my friends. Do not hesitate, do not procrastinate if you feel whatever is inspiring you right now. Maybe you feel like you want to start meditating more regularly. Maybe you feel like you want to start working out, like you were putting your physical body aside. Maybe you were digging deeply into spirituality, but oh, we have some gentle waves. Maybe you were digging deeper into spirituality, but you were forgetting about your physical body. You know, we have a physical bodies as well. We need to take care of this vehicle so we can thrive, so we can feel good, right? We need to take care of everything. As I mentioned before in that video about the new moon, I mentioned to you, like, you need to take care of your mental state, what you let yourself to perceive, what you're reading, what you're educating yourself about, what you're learning about, how you're thinking. Then recognizing our beliefs, limited beliefs. You can write it all down. Recognize, what are my limited beliefs about money? What are my limited beliefs about relationships? What are my limited beliefs about health? That's where we take care of our mental state and we shift the beliefs. Beliefs are not changed by will. Even if there is a strong energy of will present, beliefs are changed by new beliefs. And that's where we need will to make it happen, right? And then there's emotional body. When we start shifting our mental state, emotional state will change. Maybe we'll experience some unpleasant emotions. Maybe something may come to the surface right now. And the new moon is like a gateway to a new cycle, to a new chapter. It's always a beautiful time where we decide, okay, I will leave that story behind. I will leave that pain behind. Let whatever you believe in, let it heal you, let it cleanse you. Whatever it is that you like to say, let it cleanse you. And just surrender yourself to this moment. Let the life move through you, let it express through you, and feel that energy of life present within your body. Connect to it right at this moment. So we have a mental state, we have an emotional body, then we have physical body. How you're treating your physical body. Are you like being active? Are you going for long walks into nature? That's what our bodies needs. You know, body without a conscious observer is like an animal. An animal needs to move, they need to go around, to be in nature, right? And we still have that animal side of us. So we need to move ourselves, we need to go into nature, we need to go to beautiful places to recharge our energies and so on. And if we start treating ourselves more kindly, we will feel better. And that's where you will feel like you are your greatest friend. And that's beautiful, my friends. And then we have our spiritual side. How we are taking care of our spirit. Are we meditating? Are we elevating our energy? Are we aligning ourselves with our higher selves? Are we listening the signs that we can receive from our higher self? Just today I've shared with you a video about the signs you should not ignore from your higher self. You can go and check it out. So, my friends, the energy of strong will help you to make the changes that you wish to see in your life. It will help you to manifest the results you want to see. Also, 2 days ago, actually yesterday, I've shared with you a practical video about manifestation which can help you to do that work. And then we have also a beautiful strong energy of persistence. What is persistence? Persistence is helping us to be more consistent with something that is important to us, right? So one important thing that I've learned being consistent with the things that are really important to me, I've learned that where I'm truly growing the most, or the reason that I'm growing the most, is because I am consistent with a certain work. For example, every single day I take time to align myself so I can share something with you. I take time for that. And I've noticed how much I'm growing because I'm doing that. I've noticed that in my past I was really, really not good with expressing myself through words. And I was not aware of that. But once I've started filming videos, I've noticed that I'm becoming better in expressing myself through words. Because I can paint a story, I can paint a philosophy, if I will think about a certain philosophy which inspires me, I will see a picture, like how to paint it, how to paint a story of philosophy, for example. But it was much harder for me to express it through words, so I had many emotional blocks. And to me it was really hard to express my emotions in my past. But because I was consistent with expressing myself, and I still am consistent, I notice every single day I learn something more about myself. So it requires an amount of willpower, it requires a lot of energy, and also a lot of time, dedication. But right now, if you will take a piece of paper and you will write down what are the things right now you will start doing, the areas of your life you want to improve some parts of yourself. We all know we can't improve ourselves because we're already enough. But we can improve certain habits, we can improve certain behaviors, or we can improve the way we are treating ourselves. We can create a greater connection with our true selves, right? And this is all right now a great time to think about it, to truly put things into motion, right? So my friends, I will leave you here. I will enjoy that beautiful sunset happening right now. The sun is going down and it's a truly calm time in a day. So I'm sending you all that beautiful energy from here. I love you all, my friends. Have a beautiful new moon celebration, and may you all find your greatest flow in your life, so you can always feel guided towards where it feels the most natural for you. So this is it, my friends. Towards what it feels the most natural to you. I thought that there was something wrong with that statement. So my friends, this is it. Have a beautiful day. One love.